fabric de chocolate, themed hotel, museum, chocolate store. And this is a place that was a former chocolate factory itself, and it was producing chocolate for about 100 years. The moment we realized this building was to be sold, it came to us the idea that transforming this into a tourist place where we could bring back the memory of a chocolate factory to the town. I think every family had been connected to this place in Viana, connected to this place, at least someone in the family was working at the factory. Therefore, it was really meaningful to transform this into a place where everybody could come back and restore their memories, their connection to the smell of chocolate, to the factory itself. And transforming this into a tourist place would also bring back some of those memories and allow tourists to have this feeling of experiencing the soul of the city. And it was a cultural heritage. It is classified as local, municipal heritage, the building. Therefore, restoring it and keeping its facade and keeping its features, traditional features, but also idea of restoring and preserving the identity of the factory and the connection it had with the city. One of the dimensions of this place, of the project, is this museum. The museum shows the link, the connection of chocolate to its origins, goes back to the origins of cocoa and the growing of cocoa and the places around the world where cocoa is grown, and also how it is from chocolate, the whole process, and also the historical background of how cocoa was brought to Europe and how it grew as an industry of chocolate production. This is a very important aspect of this project because it allows and enables to establish an educational perspective for the factory of chocolate, allowing schools and children and youngsters also to get acquainted not only with the cocoa and chocolate production and how and also its features and all its circumstances, like not all societies are really acquainted with how chocolate is produced, but also with the social responsibility of producing chocolate in a sustainable way, and also producing cocoa in a sustainable way, but also it reminds the children who were not aware of the existence of this factory with their roots, in terms of the connection to their city and to their region and to their society. If we had to highlight why we did this project, we think tourism has also a role in sustainable development and responsible development, and we can, with tourism projects and initiatives, we can contribute to cultural awareness and to emphasize the identity of places, the soul of the cities and places. And with projects like this, we can build heritage, industrial heritage, and also bringing back memories and ways of living. It's also a way of tourism contributing actually for local development and for local cultural, let's say, enrichment.